we're going to talk about finger limes, Australian native citrus. These are a native to the rainforest in northern New South Wales, southern Queensland, but they, surprisingly enough, handle a lot of different climates, from our desert climates through cooler climates, temperate zones. They all grow well and fruit in those areas. So although it's originally a rainforest plant, it's very diverse. There's also a diversity in the fruit, different types, different selections. So we've just got a couple here where this one is green sapphire, and we're just showing you how it's a lovely green. This is a very ripe fruit because it's late in the season. They're a little bit greener than this when they're newly mature, and they get this massive little sacs of very acidic juice vesicles. Now there's that colour. Then we've got Rainforest Pearl. This has been a very popular one over the years, which is a pink, which you can see from this fruit here, and they're all slightly different flavours as well as different colours. The flavours vary, and if you've got a few together, you can really pick the flavour difference. It's a little one here we're calling Little Ruby, and this can get even darker red than this fruit that we've got here today. So it's one that we're bringing onto the market soon, and it's a small fruit, but it's a very small plant as well, which will go nicely in a small container. In the garden they fruit very well. They're quite heavy croppers, and they might take a year or two to settle into a cropping pattern. They flower in the spring, and then that fruit will be ripe from Christmas through till about May. There is variety Judy's Everbearing, which will fruit for a longer period, and is a very nice fruit as well. So they're very diverse. They have a number of uses, particularly in the kitchen, where they go really nicely on hors d'oeuvres and on fish. You can cook with it, and also drinks. You can put it in your champagne, you can put it in soda water. It's very, very nice, refreshing drink. So there's a lot of different uses that these finger limes can be used for, and there's a lot of demand too in the high-end restaurants, where the chefs are really taking them to heart and using them.